Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Wednesday, August 7, 2024. Right now it's 7:35 p.m. So yesterday, the market opened, and as we can see here, is kind of like it's kind of like it opened down, and but it was able to come back up here. So, and as a matter of fact, actually, it kind of broke above this opening zone, and later come back down to this opening center. And just that later it was able to kind of come back again and going above this like opening zone again, and be able to turn in green. And that's a very good sign yesterday. And from there, it keep coming back. And as we can see here, kind of overnight, and despite some choppiness here, and it never really come back to touch the half of the, retrace more than half 89. The most is come back to after going above a lot here, coming back to touch the center of yesterday, and it keep going, and it basically make a one get to the next base, which this is basically is 59 points above. So basically we can say 60 points. Okay. And then so when it get to kind of market open, it's like this 9:30. So 9:30 is kind of like it basically it kind of opened up 53 points. It's not like say more than 1x deal. More than 59 point deal. But it did kind of went up a lot, and it was able to go above there. So after it crossing here, actually, I didn't show a line here, but actually what happened here is this high here, 53, 30, and 64. It's actually kind of half. It's about a half of this the distance, 59, 39. So it stopped right there, and then later it come back down, and it make a move again, but it was not able to go above there. And later, as we can see here, it went below this opening zone, which is a very, very bad sign. And this one, and it come back, was not able to go across this the opening center here, and it almost kind of a flip around. So that changed a lot. So it tumbled down, and it tried to reattempt trying to come back here again, but it got slapped down again. And basically it's kind of like keep going down, and supposedly here would be a symmetric move, but the problem is that it seems like once it's moving, it has a mission to accomplish, which is 59, 39 point. So this is sort of kind of mission accomplished, and it kind of get here, and as you can see here, this is kind of it's very close to that points, and then it basically kind of bounced back a lot, and this is the attempt at trying to get back above here. But since this is failed, it seems like the second time it came back break below that point again, it never be able to come back again. So with that said, this is supposedly a very strong support, and I think that we could argue that this is also a very strong support, but certainly it's not as that strong as this one. So so I guess that probably says something about the significance of here. And after it broke down, it finished that like a 59 point and 39 point kind of move, and it's going further down, and this basically broke below this like a symmetric move. And I would say supposedly if say it could stop at this symmetric move area here, which is like a 52.68-ish, then likely it could kind of come back and make a new high here. But it seems like the game is over. So what's going to happen here is that it basically continuously going down and keep going down and going down here. And now it later kind of it basically is kind of chasing all the way down to here to the this is the open this is the yesterday's close, and apparently it has a very strong bounce and come back here, and but it's still below this symmetrical level here. And we can say this is certainly a very important level, and which is like a 52.63 and 49. And later, the problem is that I think that what we can look at is that this is a very strong bounce. So the second time that it went below here, that's a really, really bad sign. And this is like after 1 o'clock. It come back here, and it went below here again, and this is again, this is a really bad sign. And this almost kind of like started a second mission to complete this 59 and 39 points move. And if we look at here, and despite some kind of coming back here, and by the way, this is the symmetric move. It did not really stop. It slammed through here, and this is the level that is like from the top here down here is basically it's 118 points move when it get here. So it's a strong bounce, we can say. It come back, but it was meanwhile it was kind of broken this level for multiple times as well. And what happened is that after it touched this base, it come back here, and this is a symmetric move, and then it seems like it's able to go below here, then it just have to finish that what I call X, the X move, and basically going all the way down here, which is about 60 points. So basically that X move, and after that it basically come back to the middle. The middle, what I mean is the middle between this high and this low, and the market looks kind of looks like especially here it was able to make a new high, going above previous high here, and it looks like it wanted to come back and close at this at the close here, previous day's close, but it turns out that's not the case, and later it kind of it violently come back down here again, and basically later what we see here is making lower low and lower high. At the close, it pretty much is slammed all the way through down here. So finally it closed at 51.99 and 15. Yeah, as I recalled like in the past, and I see such kind of phenomenon before. It's like the market have all the reason that, I mean, all the capabilities should be able to close at this like or say above this 5200 level, but it did not, and that's a really bad sign. And of course this is not a sure things, and the market open, and as we know here it's already it's already down like 32 points, and as we can see here, and this is like the market kind of the future open, and here is the center, and it came back above here. This kind of like a symmetric move here. It went down here, come back up here, but that's it, symmetric move, and then it came back below here again, and yeah, and right now basically it seems like that's another difficult day. And if we look at the futures, the options pricing is substantially high, and so I'm cautious the market could possibly drop a lot overnight and tomorrow. And right now, definitely, this does not look good at all. I'm not sure that this is going to be another painful week. And what I mean is another painful day, and that's kind of like the pain literally started on Monday. I don't know, I just feel like the more to go, and because at this level apparently it's not stopping, and it looks to me that market is looking more to drop from here. Thursday, in terms of calendar, so 8:30 have the initial jobless claim, and then it's about the 10 o'clock have the wholesale inventory, 10:30 have natural gas inventory, and 11:30 have treasury auctions as usual, and 12 o'clock have the mortgage rate information, and 1 o'clock have 30 years bond auction, and 3 o'clock have the speech from Fed Parkin, and after the market close we have the Fed balance sheet. So it does not look good right now. So that's all I have to share with you guys, and I would say so likelihood market going to move at least 67 points tomorrow. So it could be talking about another triple digit move, possibly another 135 points move, and we just need to see how things goes. But definitely it does not look good at all. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.